Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now by preheating the oven to 375 degrees and positioning the rack in the center. Heat ensures a steady rise. Next, separate 4 eggs while they are cold for easier separation, then let the whites sit until room temperature for superior volume. Butter each ramekin thoroughly, coating sides, and dust with fine breadcrumbs or grated cheese to give structure and lift. Once done, whisk the yolks with flavorings like salt, pepper, and a splash of milk. This forms the tender base that supports the meringue. You now focus on the critical middle steps. Whip the room temperature whites to soft peaks, add 1 teaspoon cream of tartar to stabilize, and continue whipping. Once soft, slowly drizzle in 2 tablespoons sugar while beating until glossy, stiff peaks form. This balance gives structure without graininess. Next, take your yolk mixture and fold it into the meringue with gentle cutting and lifting motions. Use a spatula, turn the bowl, and stop as soon as streaks disappear, so you keep trapped air for maximum fluff. You finish by filling ramekins nearly to the top, level the surface and smooth edges for an even rise. A water bath is optional for gentler heat. Bake 12 to 15 minutes until the soufflés are well domed and lightly golden. Avoid opening the oven mid-bake since drafts cause collapse. Once out, serve immediately to enjoy peak height. If a soufflé collapses, quick troubleshooting. Rewhip the whites and fold, reduce sugar slightly next time, or check oven temperature accuracy with a thermometer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.